Vámonos! What's up, guys? Today we are making... I don't even know. Oh, wait. I know. Turkey stuffed. I can't even think of the word right now. Gosh! I'm blanking. Help me out. Stuffed bell peppers. Ground turkey stuffed bell peppers. Got them for a good deal. $1.99 a pound. $1.99. That's cheaper than in the packet. So maybe might be an option for you guys. Check it out at your local carnicero. First, I'm going to be, well, we just rinsed those bad boys, but I'm going to get them ready. I like to put them in the oven to give them a little bit more time to cook so that it's a lot softer when you want to, it's time to eat. So here we go, guys. I almost forgot. The ingredients for today are going to be some bell peppers, obviously, to stuff them. I like putting spinach with the meat. I got some zucchini, ground turkey, and I'm going to be putting some onion and garlic, some ajo for that flavor. Probably put some, can't forget the handy dandy tomato paste. Comes in handy. I like it. It comes out a little red. It gives it a nice flavor. So you can cut the bell pepper in two ways. Depends on how you're feeling. I like to make a little hole. It just seems fun that way. But I'll cut the top. If you can, make it like a pumpkin. So it's like a topper when you want to, for that presentation game. What is it called? Plating. Pull that out, and then we just got to scrape this out with a spoon. They say the white spots are kind of bitter. So we'll scrape those out, and then we'll put them in the oven. Ooh, those seeds smell good. You know what? I'm going to save some and put it in the ground turkey. That's going to be great. Ah, smells good. So now it's time to stuff the bell peppers. Is that hot? Is that hot? Is that hot? A little bit. We can make it. I like to use a spoon just to make it easier to control everything when you're going in there. Oh yeah, look at that cheese pool. Nice. Alright, and then we stuff. So the zucchini has kind of already cooked. It's, I would say, al dente right now, so it's still got a little crunch to it. But if we put it in the oven right now, it's going to come out a little softer. Kind of be like mashed potato-y, I would like to think. That's a good description of how it is. Overflowing a little bit. That's how you know it's going to be good. And then we'll fill the rest of them right now. Oh, can't forget the topping. The pièce de résistance. A little bit of cheese on there. Beautiful. Maybe just a little bit more. Why not? Throw that in there, let it melt in the oven, and then we'll put it on broil. Maybe we'll get it, hopefully I can get it black. We'll see. That is the sexiest thing I've seen in a while. Beautiful. Got some color of the cheese going on. Oh, that's an ASMR moment right there. Listen. I think this might be considered food porn. Hopefully I don't get censored. I'm sorry, now is the taste test. Should I use a sharper knife? Oh, nah, it'll be alright. Still hot on the inside. Let it rest a little bit. I like to use a bowl. Let's get the seeds right there. Oh. Great. Hot. Temperature wise, but it's great. Thank you for watching. If you haven't already, hit that like button. Share with your friends. Tell them to subscribe. We got more recetas coming your way. And yeah, hopefully I don't mess up. This is the first time this week where I've not messed up my meal. So hopefully we can keep this going. Till next time, guys.